Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, lived a little raccoon named Rascal. Rascal was known for his playful spirit and curious nature. One day, Rascal decided to explore a new part of the forest. He put on his favorite hat and set off on his journey. As he ventured deeper, he saw a shimmering pond. Rascal was drawn to the pond's beauty and decided to take a closer look. He carefully hopped along the lily pads, his eyes wide with excitement. Suddenly, he heard a rustling sound. A small fish popped out of the water, startling Rascal. But the fish was not scary at all. It was a friendly fish named Freddy. Freddy introduced himself and invited Rascal to join him in the pond. Rascal was delighted and splashed into the water. They swam and played together, laughing and having a wonderful time. Rascal learned that not everything in the forest was scary. As the sun began to set, Rascal said goodbye to Freddy and headed back home. On the way, he saw the stars twinkling above, and he felt happy and content. Back at home, Rascal told his friends about his adventure. They were all amazed and asked him about every detail. Rascal, with a big smile, promised to explore more parts of the forest and share his adventures with them. And so, Rascal the raccoon continued his adventures, teaching his friends that there's always something new and exciting to discover in their beautiful forest home.